Ladies and gentlemen, gather round and let me tell you a little something about how you ended up on this channel. I mean, seriously, how? Did you get here? Did you stumble across it while searching for some random how to question on the internet? Did your buddy give you a tip like, yo, man, you gotta check out this channel, it's life-changing? Or maybe, just maybe, you got here by chance. I mean, hey, stranger things have happened. But let me tell you, my friend, you have stumbled upon the holy grail of the internet. This channel right here is the jackpot. Why, you ask? Well, let me break it down for you. See, over the years, I've been thinking about all the crazy questions people ask on a daily basis. And you know what I did? I started jotting them down in my notebook. Genius move, right? Now, I didn't just keep these mind-boggling questions to myself. Oh no, I shared some of my brilliant insights with my closest buddies. And you know what happened next? Drum roll, please. They all went nuts and demanded that I share these questions and answers with the world. Can you believe it? I couldn't either. Since I started writing down these mind-blowing questions, I've received thousands upon thousands of compliments from people who swear that my answers have made them rich, saved their sorry life from health disasters, and even salvaged their failing relationships. I mean, who knew my scribbles could have such an impact? So, naturally, I thought to myself, if I'm helping people this damn much, why not make it available to everyone? Even those poor souls who aren't in my inner circle. That's right, folks, I've put all my how to questions right here on this channel, and guess what? It's all absolutely free. Can I get a yeah? All you gotta do is click that fancy little subscribe button below, and you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Each video tackles one burning how to question, and trust me when I say, they're as entertaining as they are informative. If you find a title that tickles your fancy, go ahead and watch it to your heart's content. Whether you're on your computer, tablet, or even your trusty old phone, you're in for a wild ride. And let me tell you, my friend, these videos are not your typical boring tutorials. Oh no, they're infused with my signature comedic flair. Picture this, I'm like the love child of a great entertainer and a how-to encyclopedia. It's comedy mixed with knowledge. Buckle up and get ready to laugh your behind off while learning something new. Who said education had to be boring, right? But wait, there's more. As if the comedic genius and valuable knowledge weren't enough, I've also thrown in a few surprises along the way. Think guest appearances from some of the biggest names in the industry, mind-blowing demonstrations, and even the occasional blooper reel. I mean, why not make learning a little more fun? So there you have it, my friend. I hope you find as much value in these hilarious how to Q&A sessions as the thousands before you. Get ready to laugh, learn, and maybe even have your life changed for the better. It's a journey of self-improvement and entertainment, all rolled into one epic channel. Peace out, y'all. Keep it real and keep on Logan. And remember, the answers you seek are just a click away. Embrace the madness and join me on this wild ride through the world of how to greatness. Let's do this.